Hello my dear students, welcome back to Science Classroom. This is Jnanasundari here, one of the physics teacher of 10th standard. Nellai Nadar e-learning vibrant class, 10th standard physics, unit 1, laws of motion. Students, previous class you have learnt about Roman letter 7, numerical problems. Today's class, the continuation of numerical problems. Number 4, the ratio of masses of two planets is 2:3 and the ratio of their radius 4:7. Find the ratio of their acceleration due to gravity. So we have considered two planets. So one planet is M1, then another planet is M2. First planet radius is R1 and second planet radius is R2. So we have to write the formula G is equal to Gm1 divided by R1 square. G is equal to Gm2 divided by R2 square. So we know that this is a relation between G and G formula. So G is equal to Gm by R square. So the given values M1 by M2 is equal to 2 by 3. R1 by R2 is equal to 4 by 7. So G1 is equal to Gm1 by R1 square and G2 is equal to Gm2 by R2 square. So G1 is equal to Gm1 by R1 square is the equation 1 and G2 is equal to Gm2 divided by R2 square is equation number 2. Divide equation 1 and 2. So G1 by G2 is equal to Gm1 by R1 square divided by Gm2 divided by R2 square. So Gm1 by R1 square into denominator Gm2 by R2 square is reciprocal here. So R2 square divided by Gm2. So Gm1, G and G cancel. Numerator and denominator G cancel. So we should take M1, M2 one side and R1, R2 another side. So M1 by M2 into R2 square divided by R1 square. So M1 by N2 into R2 by R1 the whole square. So what is the formula? G1 by G2 is equal to M1 by M2 into R2 by R1 square. So instead of M1 and M2, we should apply the values M1 value 2 and M2 value 3 into R2 value 7 and R1 value 1 the whole square. So 2 by 3 into 7 by 4 the whole square. 2 by 3 into 7 square 49 and 4 square 16. So we should cancel 2 and 16. The answer is 8. So G1 by G2 is equal to the numerator 49, the denominator 3 8s are 24. So G1 is to G2 is 49 is to 24. Roman letter 9, hard questions. Two blocks of masses 8 kg and 2 kg respectively lie on a smooth horizontal surface in contact with one another. They are pushed by a horizontal applied force 15 N. So calculate the force exerted on the 2 kg mass. So M1 is equal to 8 kg, M2 is equal to 2 kg. The given values. Total force applied is equal to 15 N. So now we are going to find force value. So force equal to what? Already we know that the force formula F is equal to ma. So we should apply the values of F, M, A. So F value is 15 and M value is 2 blocks. We should add the 2 blocks. So 8 plus 2 that is 10 into acceleration unknown value. So 15 is equal to 10 into A. So the acceleration is equal to 15 divided by 10. So A is equal to, we should cancel the 5 table, 3 5s are 15 and 2 5s are 10. So A is equal to 3 by 2. So divide 3 divided 2, the answer is 1.5. So force equal to MA. So F is equal to 2 into 1.5. So the answer is F is equal to 3n. Question number 2. Now we are discussing horse question. A heavy truck and bike are moving with the same kinetic energy. If the mass of the truck is 4 times that of the bike, then calculate the ratio of their mass. Ratio of their momenta 2:1. First of all, we are going to see what is kinetic energy. The energy of motion that is released from stored energy. Example, an arrow released from the bow flying through the air. An object rolling down a hill. Muscle moving. A car moving. These are the examples of kinetic energy. So what is the formula of kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy that objects possess due to their motion. So mass m, velocity v, and kinetic energy ke. So what is the unit of mass? kg. What is the unit of velocity? ms. What is the formula of kinetic energy? That is, what is the symbol of kinetic energy? That is J. So now we understood energy is classified two types, potential energy and kinetic energy. What is the meaning of potential energy? That is stored energy. Kinetic energy, energy in motion. So what is the unit of energy? Joule. So calculate momenta. We know that the momentum formula P is equal to product of mass into velocity. So kinetic energy formula K is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. The unit is joule. So symbol is J. So here mass of the truck is equal to 4 mb. Mass of the truck T is equal to 4 mb because if the mass of the truck is 4 times that of the bike. Okay, so m of T is equal to truck is equal to 4 m bike. So 1 by 2 mt square. 1 by 2 mt vt square is equal to 1 by 2 mb vb square. So one side the truck, another side bike. So 1 by 2 cancel. So mt vt square is equal to mb vb square. Here instead of mt we should substitute 4 mb. So 4 mb vt square is equal to mb vb square. So right hand side and left hand side mb cancel. So 4 vt square is equal to vb square. So right hand side vb square is comes to the right hand side, the sign will be changed. That is divide symbol. So vt square divided by vb square is equal to 1 by 4. Right hand side 4 is comes to right hand side. Left hand side 4 is comes to right hand side, the sign will be changed. So that is 1 by 4. So Vt by Vb the whole square is equal to 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2 square. Already we know that we should cancel in the mathematical rules root and square. So root we should take two sides root. So that is root of Vt by Vb square is equal to root of 1 by 2 square. So we should cancel the root and square. So Vt by Vb is equal to root and square cancel. So 1 by 2. So Vt by Vb is equal to 1 by 2. And linear momentum formula is P is equal to m into V. So we should apply these momentum formula. Momentum formula already we know that is P is equal to m into V. So momentum of truck is equal to mass of truck into velocity of truck is equal to momentum of bike is equal to mass of bike and velocity of bike. So mt into Vt is to mb into Vb. So mt into Vt. So the divide symbol, that is mt into Vt is to mb into Vb means mt into Vt divided by mp into Vb gives instead of mt we should write here 4 mb. Okay, 4mb divided by mb. So we should take one side mb, then another side. Vt by vb, already we know that is the answer is 1 by 2. So instead of Vt by Vb, I am writing here 1 by 2. So Pt by Pb, that is momentum of truck and momentum of bike is equal to 2 by 1. 2 by 1 here. 4mp divided by mp into 1 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, so then Pt by Pb is equal to 2 by 1. So Pt is equal to mt into Vt east. Pb is equal to mb into Vb. So 2 is to 1. So Pb is to Pt gives 1 is to 2. Question number 3. Wearing helmet and fastening the seat belt is highly recommended for safe journey. Justify your answer using Newton's law of motion. While you are traveling in a bike or in a car, when a sudden brake is applied, the upper part of your body leans in the forward direction. Similarly, when the vehicle is suddenly moved forward from a rest, you lean backward. This is due to any body would like to be continue in its state of rest or the state of motion. So the Newton's law of inertia takes place. So wearing helmet and seat belt while driving a car are highly recommended for a safe journey. Thank you, my dear students.